toy number 4. Okay, so what do we have here? So this one is a sloth. Lot of animal knowledge. Okay, so sloth, so mabagal siya sa land, and yun nga, so sobrang bagal niya, doesn't care to clean himself, and there's a lot of parasites sa mga sloths. And then the only time that you will see them move faster is kapag nasa tubig sila. They're parang best swimmers sila. Ang ganda. Okay, so let's show you the card. Okay, so there's a sloth, and ito ang kanyang stats. Okay, yan stats, and this is the footprint. May footprint pa palang nalalaman na yung footprint. Okay, so there you go. And then let's reveal ano itsura ng sloth. But syempre ibalik natin sa box. Ito. Okay, so here's the sloth. Ayan, siya ganyan sa mukha. Pero may mga sloth na long-haired. So, ayan siya. Mostly nakabaliktad siya sa puno, naglalakad siya ganyan. Ganyan. Ayan. Pag din, oh wow. Pag inigot mo yung kamay niya, gagalaw yung isa. Oh wow. Parang ano hindi na interconnected pala. Hindi pala sila interconnected. So you can freely move them. Okay, so you can put them sa trees. Sabit mo siyang ganyan. Para siyang may ganyan, no? I think usually sa trees naman talaga sila nakatira. Yeah. So that's it. That is the sloth. Alright, so that is toy number 4.